Welcome to Peaceful Living Homes. In today's video, we're diving into sustainable small farmhouse garden ideas for 2025. Imagine turning every little corner of your home into a thriving green paradise. From vertical herb walls to tiny vegetable patches, we'll show you how even the smallest spaces can become lush and productive. Stay tuned for beautiful, eco-friendly inspiration that's perfect for your farmhouse dreams. If you think a small farmhouse can't have a big garden, think again. With smart planning and sustainable ideas, you can grow fruits, vegetables, and flowers right outside your door. Discover raised beds, container gardening, and natural composting techniques that bring life to every inch of your outdoor space. Let's create a green paradise together. A small space doesn't mean small dreams. In 2025, sustainable gardening is all about creativity, using recycled materials, rainwater harvesting, and low-maintenance plants. We'll explore how simple setups like vertical gardens and companion planting can transform even a tiny farmhouse garden into a thriving, eco-friendly haven. Turn every forgotten corner into a living masterpiece. Today's farmhouse garden ideas focus on using native plants, edible landscaping, and beautiful eco-designs that fit right into nature. It's all about working with the environment, not against it, and the results will leave your home blooming year-round. Imagine walking through a peaceful green oasis right in your backyard. Sustainable small farmhouse gardens are not just about beauty, they're about living better, saving resources, and enjoying fresh harvests. We'll share clever ideas like mini greenhouses, natural pest control, and smart watering tips to make your garden shine. Big dreams can start small. Even a corner of your farmhouse can burst into life with the right touch. Learn how to grow your favorite herbs, veggies, and flowers sustainably with smart layouts and eco-friendly practices. By 2025, these small steps can create a huge impact on your lifestyle and the planet. Sustainability is the future, and your farmhouse garden can lead the way. With creative ideas like vertical farming, pollinator gardens, you can turn every nook into a paradise. Stick with us to discover how to build a flourishing green retreat that nourishes both your body and soul. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. This is Peaceful Living Homes, bringing you closer to nature.